Spring, summer, fall, winter, umbrella stands. You can add water, sand, sand and water from 60 to 100 pounds from a 6 foot, 9 foot plus umbrella. Let's open the product up, show you what it's all about. As we unbox the unit to show you how it's packaged, we have a hardware kit and an instruction manual. Going over the unit, you have a filler cap that unscrews and locks down into place. Water, sand and water. You have a top diameter cap that comes off. Turning the unit upside down, you have caster wheels that adjust about 25 to 30 degree on an angle. Rubber. The backs do not adjust, and the fronts do lock in by pressing down and locking into place. On the side over here, you have your tube and piping. What we're going to do is turn the unit again upside down to the right side. We're going to add in the diameter cap, and we're going to place on the actual cap itself, like so. And if you choose the umbrella you are using, you have two different pipes. You have a small diameter and a large diameter. So if you're doing a small umbrella, both diameters are used. You have two knobs that simply go on and they lock into place like so. Once you screw in, they will lock down. The longer you go in, both locks down. We have a short and a long bolt that this will not go into this piece here. It goes into the bottom over here that locks the pole 100% into place by screwing down. Holding the pipe in the direction you like and tightening down. With the umbrella, simply slide into the hole. If the small diameter doesn't fit, loosen up both bolts. Remove the top cap, place to the side, and put in the umbrella. Lock down both bolts to the umbrella's pole and add in your water. When the water is finished, or the sand that you put in, close up. You have a portable umbrella stand that you could place anywhere imaginable. If you are looking for an umbrella stand to hold your large, medium, small umbrellas, to give you shade and to move wherever you need to put around. Hang out at the picnic by the gazebo, your backyard, your front yard. If you're going to a park and you want some shade, the umbrella stand may be something that you are after. And when all done, simply just fold down. Compact, 100 pounds of capacity for sand and water, 60 pounds of just water, and 80 pounds just for sand. I hope you enjoy your umbrella stand if this is what you are after.